Mancane Smalls, the Oracle King speaking. So I just want us to do a quick video where I'm going to be showing you how I analyze the market. So as you can see, this is the Eurnzd H4 time frame. Remember, I've been telling you when you analyze the market, you need to start with the 4-hour time frame. So if you can check here, you can see that this market is on a bullish trend. This market is on a bullish trend. This market is on a bullish trend. So what is it that we do? We need to check where the market is coming from, and then we will see that the market has been breaking the highs, giving us an aura, leaving the order blocks, which is this is the order block that we have here for a bullish movement. For a bullish movement, the market has been creating higher lows there, and then a higher high there, and then again a higher low here. So now where I want us to focus on this, inside this high and this low, and this is the low that pushed the price to create that high. So let me delete this thing here. Let me take this thing down here. Let me delete this thing here, and then this thing here. So now the market, you need to check the price, where the price is, where the price at, and then check the reason why I want us to continue with the bullish move. So this is the last order block. This is a strong zone where we're waiting for the price to come and retest and continue with it on a bullish movement. So the last high that we have is this one, and then this, and then the last low is this one. We're not gonna sell this price until they take out this high low here, and this low is gonna give us an opportunity. They're gonna be breaking this low to come and retest this zone, because this is a strong zone with a strong impulsive move. And then now I can see that we have an order block here, an order block there. When you zoom in, that block is the block that took out that high there. So that's the reason why I'm expecting this price to continue bullish. So we're going to buy this trade from here, because remember, we follow what the market is giving us. We don't want to control it, because now if you want to control this market, you want to sell this to this level, but you are not the one controlling the market. You need to follow what the market is doing. So we are buying this pair to where? To this high there. Our take profit from the previous high, for which is that one. So this Eurnzd is a buy all the way to that high. So those who have questions, you can ask questions now. So let me shift first to another pair, which is AUD, and then let me delete everything. Delete. Okay, remember, start with the H4 time frame. H4 time frame, we need to check what's happening in the market on the H4 time frame. I will see that, okay, on the H4 time frame, the market created a new higher high, for which they took out this low, this high here, to create that higher high, and then the low of that high, this is the low that started the move. So from this low that started the movement, you will find out that, okay, now the market broke this low here from H4 time frame, from where they created a high. This is the low that pushed the price, but what happened? They broke it here, and then now you need to find a zone that pushed the price with a strong impulsive, which is that one. Then again there you will find out that, okay, sorry, delete, and then this is another low, this is another low, this is another low. So since this is another low, we need to find out a zone that pushed the price to break that low. Then this is another zone there. another supply zone. So the overall trend on this euro, remember euro AUD is bullish. The overall trend from this one is bullish. Yes. I have to delete these groups because now they're giving me problems. I have to delete this old Telegram of mine and log in with only my new Telegram. So by the way, what I was saying is this is the low that we have, right? And then I'm expecting the market to come here, and then when you zoom out there, this is the last low that pushed the price to the higher high there, and they broke this level. So when you break down to this zone, you break down to H2, you'll see that we have a clean order block there. After that order block, price gave us a strong impulsive move, so that's why I'm expecting this from this zone. I'm expecting the market to come back to this zone and then to what, and then we buy it all the way to that level there. Then we're going to put our pending orders next week from this level. We're going to put our pending orders, then our stop loss just below this this red line. That's where we're going to have our stop losses. So this is the setup that I have on this pair, and then we're going to check the last one, which is Eurcad, I think, if not mistaken, Eurcad. And then I will delete this thing here. So here again, you go to H4 time frame. What is it that we have on H4 time frame? You can see that we have a bullish market here. They took out this and then they locked this low. They took out that high, for which they gave us what? A bullish market. So the area that pushed the price is this one. And if you can check, they tested it, the market shifted very fast. So what is it that we're going to do? And then remember, we have a zone there, market retested the zone, and then now this is another order block on a smaller time frame. This longer wick on H4, it's an order block on lower time frame. So this order block, when you zoom it in like this, you will see that we have another break of structure here. So since from that break of structure, we need to wait for the market to retest here and then have a long run all the way to the top there. Then from this one, you can even risk less, since you saw that I had my pending order of 0.3, and then my stop loss was exactly around the red line. Why? I was risking from that 0.3, I was risking 105 rand to gain 800 to this zone here. To this zone there, I was going to add more positions. That, remember, I told you when you are putting a pending order, use small lot size. So I'm going to add more positions once they retest the level. Once they retest the level and respect it, and go to smaller time frames again and find another entry, another break of structure, and then keep on adding positions all the way to that TP. So Eurocad, we are waiting for Eurocad to give us an entry. To give us an entry there. And then let's go to another pair, which is the last one, which is Nzdcad. Nzdcad, you zoom out Nzdcad, you go to daily time frame. You'll see that on daily time frame we have this liquidity here. And then you have this low respected, took out this high. After taking out that high, they created a new higher high. So on a smaller time frame, H4, on H4 you will see that the market came back and retested the zone nicely on H4, right? So on H4 you will see that they retested the zone nicely and respected it. So you go to smaller time frame H3 or H1 or H2, then you will see that we have a break of structure there. Since you have a break of structure there, you need to find a zone where you can enter the positions. So on this pair, which area we're going to use, I prefer, because here I can see that we have liquidity. We have liquidity here. We have liquidity there. We have liquidity there. Let's break it down. So I prefer to use this zone here is my next area of interest. Is my next area of interest, because you can see that even when you are using a trend and selling from it, they broke out from the trend line there. Then you take your buys. So let's end our video here. Let's end our video here. So if you find a setup like this and we don't have any clear zone, we leave it and then only focus on our Eurcad, Euraud, and Eurnzd. So at the moment, let's end the video here. So cheers.